Our birthday girl, Gain, wearing a tiny checkered brown ribbon. Ding, let them see your ribbon, Ding Ding, oh. Big ribbon for Ding Ding. Ding Ding. Hi. She doesn't protest when you cuddle her, but she immediately jumps out when you don't take hold of her again. That's a birthday girl, 1-year-old Gain. Born on August 16, 2023, and now August 16 is her 1 year of life. That's our Gain. Our birthday girl is now wearing a checkered black and white ribbon. An oversized ribbon for the birthday girl. Gain is friendly, playful, and a foodie. It's our Gain. Happy birthday, Ding. Happy 1 year young Ding. Gain is 54% tuxedo, 24% Bombay, 18% dilute calico, and 2% domestic short hair. That's our Ding. Being a friendly cat, Gain don't have anyone that she doesn't like, but there are those who doesn't like her and bully her, like Doe and Dinar. No, Ding, no. They often snap on you, Ding. Dinar and Dodo. What are you doing under the table, Ding? Ginoko. Ay, ginoko. Where are you going, birthday girl? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ding. Happy birthday, Ding Ding. Happy birthday, happy 1 year. Happy birthday, Ding Ding. You're staying there with Kuya Tati. Ding Ding. How did you get her? I was able to rescue her. I was able to rescue her, or I decided to rescue her because she's being kicked by one of our neighbors, a lady who is giving food to her cats, and this one, being a stray cat, wanted also to share the food, and she's being kicked. And I promised myself that when I'd be able to see her again, I will rescue her, and it did happen. Thanks for subscribing our channel, hitting the notification bell, liking and sharing this video, and making and sending encouraging comments. Thank you. Our birthday girl is now wearing a tiny checkered blue and white with a peachy pink dots. Hi, Ding Ding. Does she like treat? As of now, she doesn't like, but there are times that she likes treats. How did she get her name? Ding Ding. It is taken from my list of one-syllable positive words, and gain is one of them. Ding Ding. What is her waist and weight measurement? Gain's waist is 14.5 inches and her weight is 3 kilos. That is our Ding Ding. Ding Ding. Happy birthday, Ding Ding. Happy 2 years, Ding Ding. 1 year. Happy 1 year, Ding. Happy 1 year. Energize more, so that we'll be able to spay you, so that you'll have a longer life. Not unlike the deceased ones. Ate Kisses and Ate Tika only had an average of 2 to 3 years. Ding Ding, no. Mama Kiss will be worried, sad, if that happens to you. You see, thank you. Thank you for watching my birthday video, my 1 year birthday video. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kiss, adding up to our 1,450